गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास। तो आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 5। आज हम इस लेक्चर में देखेंगे कि मेथड्स ऑफ इमेज फॉर्मेशन फॉर कॉनकेव मिरर। उसके पहले हमने कुछ रूल्स पढ़े थे, आई होप सभी को याद होंगे। फटाफट रिवाइज करवा देता हूँ। फर्स्ट पहला रूल क्या था? दिस इज पोल एफ सी, the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, it will reflect from focus point. Second rule, when the incident ray passing from the focus point, it will reflect parallel to the principal axis. Right class? Third rule, when the incident ray passing through center of curvature, so it will reflect back from the same path. Fourth rule, when the incident ray incident at pole, so it will reflect, the angle of reflection is equals to angle of incident. Right class? So these are the four rules that we have to remember. Now we'll see the methods of image formation. You can mention the heading methods of image formation for concave mirror. Right class? So this is the method. In that first method, when the object at infinity, when the object at infinity, like that, I will show with the diagram. So this is your mirror, this is principal axis, pole F and C. Supposed to be a object is at infinity, then the incident ray are parallel to each other like this. Right class? So as per the rule, the parallel rays will reflect from focus point. Right class? So it will reflect from focus point. So both the reflected rays are intersecting where? At focus point. At focus point. So position of image at focus. Right class? Nature of image is real. Be remember, real and inverted. Inverted and हम बोल सकते हैं उल्टा. Right? And third point, size of image is highly diminished. Right class? So these 3 points that you have to remember. How to write or how to note down? First, write down the title, when the object at infinity. Clear? After that, write the theory in that. Write like that, when the object is at infinity, so all the incident rays are parallel to each other. Right? So it will reflect, or we can say all reflected ray passing through the focus point. So the all reflected rays are intersecting at focus point. Then draw this diagram. Right class? And after below that you have to write these 3 points. How? First point, the position of image at focus point. The nature of image is real and inverted, and size of image highly diminished. बहुत छोटा. Clear class? So this pattern we have to follow in all methods. total 6 methods we will study. In that first method we have completed. Okay class, now we will move toward the second method. Second method, when the object placed beyond center of curvature. C means what? Center of curvature. You have to mention in full form center of curvature, not like me. So we will see with the diagrams. Here is your mirror, here is a pole F and C, right? Supposed to be I have placed one object here. I will mention here A and this one is B. AB is the object. What will happen? One of the incident ray parallel to the principal axis and another incident ray, it may passing from center of curvature, it may passing from focus, or it may passing from incident at pole. Now I am considering it is passing from focus, right class? So it will reflect from the mirror, the ray which is parallel, it will reflect from focus, and the ray which is passing from focus, it will reflect parallel to the principal axis. If you observe the image, this is your A dash, right class? So this is your point A where the both reflected rays are intersecting, right? So this is your image where I have to mention here B dash, right class? So if you observe carefully, what you get, where the position of image between C and F, right class? C and F. So the position of image between C and F. Nature again real and inverted. Both the reflected rays are really intersecting, so real and inverted. Inverted why? Now if you observe in object, A is at top. Now if you observe in image, A dash is at below, and size of image diminished. Right class? So I am repeating once again. First write down the title, when the object placed beyond center of curvature, right? After that write down the theory, when the object is placed beyond center of curvature, one of the incident ray parallel to the principal axis which is reflect from the focus point, and another incident ray passing from the focus which is reflect parallel to the principal axis. So both the reflected rays are intersecting between center of curvature and focus. Then draw this diagram. After diagram, you have to write this 3 points, right? The position of image between center of curvature and focus. The nature of image is real and inverted, and the size of image is diminished, right class? So this is your second method. Now we will see the third method. The third method, slowly the object is moving toward the mirror like that. So third method is what? When the object at C means center of curvature, right class? So like that, this is mirror, pole F, C. Supposed to be object is placed here. So one ray will passing parallel to the principal axis, and another ray passing from focus, or it may be at pole point, right? I will I will explain for the both point. Suppose this time I will consider incident at pole, right class? So parallel ray will reflect from focus point, right? And the ray which is incident at pole, it will reflect with the same angle of incident, right class? So these are the reflected rays. If you observe both reflected rays, draw with the help of the scale. So both the reflected rays will intersect at point C, right class? Both the reflected rays are intersect at point C. So again 3 points that I have to mention: position of image at C, right class? Nature real and inverted, right class? And size सेम है ना, यानी जितना साइज ऑब्जेक्ट का है उतना ही साइज इमेज का भी है। क्लियर क्लास? सो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस पॉइंट. First we have to write down or mention the title. What is that title? When the object placed at center of curvature. Then write down the theory like that. When the object is placed at center of curvature, one of the incident ray parallel to the principal axis, which is reflect from focus point, and another incident ray at pole with angle of incident, which is reflect the angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. So both the reflected rays are intersecting at point C. Now draw the diagram. After that write down these 3 points like that: the position of image at center of curvature, the nature of image is real and inverted, and the size of image is same of the object. Fourth method, right class? Fourth method is what? When the object between C and F, that means when the object between C and F, okay, so when the object between center of curvature and F. Now see with the diagram. This is P, this is F, this is C. Now I will place object in between C and F. Here is again I will mention A and B, right? So again like that, one ray will passing parallel to the principal axis, and another ray will incident at pole, or it may be at focus, right class? Like that I am incident passing through the focus this time. So the ray which is parallel reflect from the focus, right? And the ray which is passing through focus reflect parallel to the principal axis, right class? If we observe the diagram, both the reflected rays are intersecting beyond center of curvature, right class? So the position of image beyond C. Next, nature of image real and inverted, and size of image little bit bigger, so I can say magnified. Draw this diagram properly and try to find out or locate the image beyond center of curvature. I got exactly very close to the C, है ना? Try to draw with the help of the scale So you will get a proper, like that supposed to be this line. I will draw with the red pen. Supposed to be this line very straight, right class? So it will be found beyond center of curvature. Okay. Okay class. So you have to write down fourth, like the when the object between center of curvature and focus, then write down the theory, right? Like when the object between center of curvature and focus, so one ray is incident parallel to the principal axis which is reflect from focus, and another ray passing through the focus which is reflect parallel to the principal axis. So both the reflected rays are intersecting beyond center of curvature. Draw the diagram, and after that note down these 3 points as usual: the position of image beyond center of curvature, the nature of image is real and inverted, and the size of image is magnified. Clear class? So this is your fourth method. Now we will see the fifth method. Fifth method is what? Again closer to the mirror, when the object at F clear class? At F. So when the object at focus point, we'll see with the diagram. So this is P, this is F, this is C. Now place the object here. So what will happen? One ray again parallel to the principal axis, and another ray is incident at pole, right class? So the ray which is incident at principal axis, it will reflect from the focus point, and the which is incident at pole reflect with the same angle of reflection, right? So if you observe, both the rays are parallel to each other, that's why where they will meet no one knows, है that's why we can say they will meet or they will intersect at infinity. So the position of image is where? At infinity, right class? Second, nature, yes, real and inverted, right? And last, size is highly magnified, right class? So write down the title, when the object at focus, then write down the theory, when the object placed at the focus point, one of the incident ray parallel to the principal axis which is reflect from focus, and another incident ray incident at pole with the angle of incident and reflected from the pole, which is the angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection. So both the reflected rays are parallel to each other, so they will intersect at infinity. Then draw the diagram, right class? Then after diagram mention these 3 points, right? On the basis of these 3 points we are identifying and easily differentiate between the all methods. In that, first, the position of image at infinity, the nature of image is real and inverted, and the size of image is highly magnified. Clear class? So this is your fifth method. Now we will see the sixth and last method, right class? So in that, sixth method is what? Where we have to place? When the object between F and P, right? So focus and pole. So we'll see with the diagram. this is your mirror, pole, F and C. Okay class, right? Where I have to place? Here. Again AB, you can mention the name. Now this time you can't say the parallel to the principal axis, because if you draw the parallel, right, so it can't reflect from the focus, because in that you have placed the object like that. I will show. After that I will erase this ray. If supposed to be you draw parallel, it will reflect from focus, but not possible this time because there is object, right class? So I can't say the parallel here. So this is your object. So there is another alternative. One of the incident ray, incident at pole, and another incident ray, incident on the mirror, which appears to come from the center of curvature, right class? Like that. Okay, so as we know, the ray which is incident at pole reflect from the angle of incident is equals to angle of reflection, and the ray which is appears to come from the center of curvature, it will reflect from the same path. I will draw with the red line like this, right class? So both the reflected ray, if you observe, they will never intersect really with each other, but supposed to be I will take a projection, so they will appears to meet, they will appears to meet. So this is the point of intersecting which appears. So I would say A dash. If I will draw the perpendicular to the principal axis, this is B dash. Clear class? So this is your image. Where we got? Behind the mirror. Behind the mirror. That is your position of image. Next, nature of image. Yes, it is not real. See, the red line that I have mentioned, they are the real lines, but they are not intersecting. I have taken their projections and a dotted line, and that's why they appears to meet. So it is not real, it is a virtual. And virtual and erect. Erect means सीधा, है ना? Erect means सीधा. यानी देखो A यहाँ पे देखते हैं, यहाँ पे A और यहाँ पे नीचे B. यहाँ पे भी ऊपर में ही A है, A dash, और नीचे में B dash. So that's why erect. And last is, it is size of image is bigger than the object, so I can say magnified. Right class? So this is your last method of the image formation. Now I am repeating once again this method. First you have to write the title. What is that? When the object placed between focus and pole. After that write down the theory. When the object placed between focus and the pole, so one incident ray, incident at pole, which is reflect in such a way that the angle of reflection is equals to angle of incident. Another incident ray appears to come from center of curvature, so it will reflect from the same path. So both the reflected rays are never really intersect with each other, but they appears to intersect behind the mirror. Hence the position after that draw the diagram, then write down these 3 points: the position of image behind the mirror, the nature of image virtual and erect, and the size of image is magnified. Size of image is magnified. So this all 6 method that you have to study, right? And after that study of this all 6 method, we will see in the next point of your chapter. Okay class, till then, bye bye.